How to repair a cut extension cord. Extension cords are useful pieces of equipment, especially for electrical tools like hedge trimmers, weed eaters and leaf blowers. Extension cords do, however, go through a significant amount of wear and tear, especially when used outside in the elements. Accidents do happen, and every now and then an extension cord can be sliced or cut in two while performing lawn maintenance. Basic knowledge of wire connection is all that is required to properly repair a cut extension cord. Things you will need: wire strippers/cutters, electrical tape. Strip the outer plastic coating of the wire binding off at a length of 1 inch, for both sections of wire to be reconnected. The extension cord will have either 2 or 3 wires inside the outer binding, normally coated with white, black and green plastic. Bend the inner wires apart from one another. Use the wire stripper and select the appropriate size gauge hole to strip the wires. Strip the smaller wire's outer plastic coating at a length of 1 inch. Repeat for the other section of wire. There should now be exposed copper or metal wires for both sections to be connected. Twist the copper wires together using the color-coded plastic as a guide. Twist black to black, white to white, and green to green. Bend the twisted part of the wire back over the plastic coatings of the corresponding wires. This will help straighten the wires a bit. Tape each individual inner wire with black electrical tape. Ensure that no copper or metal is exposed. Apply electrical tape to the outer wire binding and wrap around thoroughly until the spliced wires are bundled together. Tips: warnings. Ensure that wires are taped securely to ensure that wires will not become crossed. Never try to fix an extension cord while plugged into a wall.